celebrating the 206th anniversary of the separation of Ilocos Sur from Ilocos Norte by virtue of a Spanish royal decree. What do you think did we learn as people from the 2 centuries of separation?
Well, I think the most important thing that we, people from Ilocos Sur, learned from almost 200 years of separation is that we, Ilocosurians, can be independent and that we can stand on our own. And no matter, even if we drifted apart from Ilocos Norte, we are able to preserve our traditions, our natural heritage, and our culture. And as one Ilocos Sur, we united. Because in the end, ubi concordia, ibi victoria. When there is unity, there is victory. Thank you so much.
And the crowd goes wild.